Stress, anxiety, overthinking. We've all been there. And often the advice is complicated. Meditate, change your diet, get more sleep. But what if there was a switch you could flip in your body to calm your mind instantly? That switch is your breath. Today, I'll share the science of how breathing controls your nervous system and 4 proven breathing techniques that can lower stress, improve focus, and even help you sleep better. The best part? It takes only a few minutes a day. Breathing is the only system in your body that's both automatic and under your control. Normally, you don't think about it. Your body just breathes. But when you choose to slow it down or change the rhythm, you send signals through your vagus nerve to your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and digest mode. This lowers cortisol, slows your heart rate, and tells your brain, you're safe. That's why changing your breath can change how you feel in less than a minute. Scientists measure this effect with something called HRV, heart rate variability. Higher HRV means your body can adapt quickly between stress and calm. Breathing exercises increase HRV, which means better emotional control, sharper focus, and resilience under pressure. This is why elite athletes, Navy SEALs, and even therapists teach controlled breathing. Because it works. Let's start with one of the most famous techniques, box breathing. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. It's simple, powerful, and used by Navy SEALs to stay calm under extreme stress. Just 2 minutes of box breathing can reset your nervous system. Next is the 4-7-8 method. Inhale through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This pattern slows down your heart and helps your body release tension. Many people use it before bed because it primes your body for deep sleep. Then there's the physiological sigh. This is something your body does naturally when you cry or when you're stressed. 2 short inhales through the nose, followed by 1 long exhale. Doing just 3 to 5 of these cycles can rapidly reduce stress and bring your body back into balance. Neuroscientists at Stanford have shown it's one of the fastest ways to calm anxiety. Finally, a technique from yoga. Alternate nostril breathing. Cover one nostril, inhale through the other. Switch nostrils, exhale. Then inhale on that side, switch, and exhale again. This balances activity between the left and right hemispheres of your brain, leaving you feeling calm and centered. So how do you make this practical? Start your day with 2 minutes of box breathing. Before bed, try the 4-7-8 method. In moments of stress, use the physiological sigh. And once a day, practice alternate nostril breathing for balance. You don't need an hour-long session. Just a few minutes, scattered throughout the day, can transform how you feel. Breathing is more than survival. It's your built-in reset button. With every inhale and exhale, you can calm stress, sharpen focus, and regain control of your mind. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember, your solution is already with you. Just breathe. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a calmer mind. And for quick tips, check my shorts playlist right here.